What are you doing in there? Get out of my pantry. What do you have in there? Can you show me what you have in your hand? What's in your hand? What is it? Flashlight. Can you show me what you're wearing? What are you wearing on your pants? Let me see. I know, let's see your pants.